Hello and welcome to the Eclectic Kitchen. Today we're making Swedish meatballs, a hearty, comforting dish that is both delicious and easy to make. We'll start with the bread and onion mixture. Use 2 slices of any soft bread, just remove the crust. Add 1 small onion and pulse the two together until combined. Use an electric chopper or grate the onion straight into the bread. Let it sit for about 5 minutes so the bread can soak up all the onion juice. To 500 grams of mixed mince, add 1 egg, preferably without the shell, then season with 1/4 teaspoon each of nutmeg, black pepper, allspice, plus half a teaspoon of salt. Add the bread and onion mixture and mix everything until just combined. You can add other seasonings if you like, but I prefer to keep it mild. Swedish meatballs aren't meant to be spicy. You can shape them right away or let the mixture sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes to firm up. For medium-sized meatballs, take about half a heaped tablespoon of the mixture and roll it between your palms into a ball. Use wet or oiled hands to prevent sticking. They don't need to be perfectly uniform, but try to keep them similar in size for even cooking. Fry the meatballs on all sides for about 3 to 4 minutes total until nicely browned. The center should still be a bit raw. They'll finish cooking in the sauce. I fried mine in batches to avoid overcrowding the pan. Add 20 to 30 grams of butter to the pan depending on how much fat is left. Once the butter melts, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of flour and cook, stirring constantly for about a minute to remove the raw flour taste. Pour in 400 ml of beef broth, stirring to avoid lumps. If you're using bouillon cubes, half a cube is enough. You can always add more salt later. Add a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and an optional ingredient, about a 1/4 teaspoon of thyme. I like the subtle herby aroma it gives to the sauce. Pour in 100 to 200 ml of cooking cream, depending on how creamy you like your sauce. I use less cream so the beefy thyme flavor stands out more. Return the meatballs to the pan and don't forget any juices that collect while they rest. That's packed with flavor. Gently shake the pan to combine, cover and simmer over medium-low heat for about 2 to 4 minutes until the meatballs are fully cooked through. Turn off the heat, sprinkle in a little parsley and you're done. Serve your Swedish meatballs with mashed potatoes or noodles and your favorite salad. You can also add lingonberry jam. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes. Enjoy!